Hello, Jess here with Digital Empire. Welcome to the Chat GPT review, 5 things that you need to know. Okay, let's get started. So in this video, we're going to discover insights into Chat GPT. We'll have a full comprehensive review so that you can make an informed decision. If you like videos about internet marketing, please press the like button and subscribe today. For full transparency, I'm not an affiliate of this program, but be sure to stay until the end so that you can make an informed decision, and I have a free special gift for you at the end. So who is this course for? Who's this bot for, actually? It is an AI chatbot that was released last year in 2022. This is for entrepreneurs and creators, covers industries such as e-commerce, marketing, and even business, and on and offline. It's really great for generating written words and conversations, and it was developed as an open AI, and it was released to the public in November 2022. The Chat GPT is a large language model that predicts the next word in a series of words. And so the important aspects of Chat GPT is the reinforcement learning with human feedback. And so at the heart of this program, it relies on your human directions and it generates responses that appear to sound human. However, the Chat GPT is not perfect, and as we've seen with other AI tools that try to mimic human creativity and intelligence, it has had problems with factual accuracy. And so it's seen as a tool to replace the human voice, but it also acts as a search engine. And this is because the complex questions and responses that ChatGPT can create. So who created this course? Who created this is the ChatGPT. It's a tool that was created by OpenAI, which is an artificial intelligence company. They have several other tools as well that have been generated, and the CEO, Sam Altman, has been the front runner of this company with several other companies that he owns as well that are affiliated with artificial intelligence. So he has a background. Chat GPT is also a platform that Microsoft has been involved with, as this app has been involved with the creation of it has to do with the algorithm. It's for that, and it's other expensive projects totaling up to 1 billion. So it's a heavy investment. What does this Chat GPT do? It is a large language model that has the ability to accurately predict words and sentences, phrases, books. It's consistently improving, and it works with humans. So how to use this? The basics are you're generating text from prompts. This is used to create texts, and it helps you create blogs easy and any other written ideas, including whole novels even. And so it can be used to create any kind of text, anything at all. And it's all, from a program code. One of the main benefits of using Chat GPT is to generate texts that help you experiment and develop the new ideas on top of the content that you're learning. It also generates outlines for articles and even, again, entire novels. So researching information, if you simply ask GPT to find you an answer, it will give you an answer to any question, basically. And it's also able to not only search for the item, but it also find and arrange the answers for you. So, but you might have to double check because the information, as it has a tendency to retrieve inaccurate information. So you've got to be really clear about whether this is really accurate or not. You got to double check what it is, the information that they're giving you. With writing the blog posts, it gives you, AI has the writing, it's the great ability to help with the blogging, but completely change the blogging industry so far as of today. Chat GPT Pros. So it's free, it's easy to use. In the future, that could change. There may be payments coming up soon. It helps in content creation. It solves coding problems and written mathematical proofs. The drawbacks from using Chat GPT is that sometimes the extra research is important, as Chat GPT does not always have correct information, and more time to double check could cancel out the convenience of it. Chat GPT can give the same response to more than one answer. And thirdly, if the answer is incorrect, then the user runs the risk of the information being incorrect as well and presenting that information in error because the user might not know enough about the topic in the first place to discern that ChatGPT is incorrect. So the conclusion is that it has the power to generate amazing words and the answers to the questions. It's a very powerful tool, but it's not without its flaws, as it's hard to guarantee accurate information. So I hope this was helpful. A way to make the most of ChatGPT is to use it correctly, but also use it for a really great purpose in something that could help you get free from the 9-to-5 grind. So, so two things could be affiliate marketing. And let me just talk to you about the advantages of affiliate marketing really quickly. You can be working with companies that offer products or services that align with your interests. And so by promoting these products and services, you can earn a commission through that. And so the affiliate marketing is the easiest and fastest online business model, and it's perfect for people wanting to start an online business. A few benefits of starting your own affiliate marketing business is it includes working from anywhere on a laptop, working on your own time, low startup costs, no overheads or product management, and you don't have to stock products and pay percentages for sales and ads. And that's a big one. So you can automate your business and earning potential. So please press the link in the pinned comments under this video to get your free cheat sheet to 3 proven steps on quitting your 9-to-5 with high-ticket affiliate marketing. So thank you for joining me for this review, and thank you for joining me on Digital Empire today. See y'all soon. Thanks, guys.